So this is Michelle, and I am starting off day 2 of the 3-day refresh. Actually, I have off work today, hence the messy hair and the glasses. So day one was interesting. um, let's see. So breakfast, my Shakeology. Love my Shakeology. Putting the banana in with my chocolate just wasn't that good. Especially I have a blender bottle, so it didn't mix very well. So this morning I had my banana separate, and I'm currently drinking my Shakeology. I did get up late this morning, so um, lunch was good. Work I did half a portion of salad, and then I did a quarter portion of cucumbers and a quarter serving of tomatoes. Made myself a little salad when I had the oil and vinegar. So my oil leaked on my way to work, but it still worked out pretty good. And I also had half an orange. And then my shake when I got back to work, the shake was okay. I mixed it in a water bottle, and it was a little grainy, but it tasted alright. Um, I did have the fiber sweep in between breakfast and lunch, and the fiber sweep wasn't my favorite. It tasted like overly sweetened Crystal Light lemonade, except it had that fiber texture, and so I kind of had to shake it and drink it really quick. And so it wasn't my favorite, but hey, you know what? Fiber's good for you, and it's only 3 days, right? Um, for snack, I had carrots and hummus, and not really a big fan of hummus, but I'll power through since that's what I bought at the grocery store, and that's what I had on my food plan. So maybe I'll learn to like it a little bit more. And that's actually what I kind of plan on having for a snack today is the carrots and the hummus. So yeah, I'll deal with it. It's not a big deal. Now dinner, on the other hand, I did the vegetable stir fry, and it had green beans, red peppers, carrots, and then you sauteed it in or stir fried it in like a little bit of olive oil, some sea salt, and vegetable broth. It was delicious. Loved it. I have a picture. Hopefully, I don't know if you guys can see it because it's on my cell phone and with shadows and all that. No, not really. Oh, there we go. Really bad picture of my dinner. But it was really yummy, and I did have a cup of vegetable broth, which if you're so used to chicken and beef broth, the vegetable broth was okay. It was nice and warm though. It was really hot. I mean, it was really cold and damp outside, and I wanted that comfort of a soup. So I had that, and then for dinner, since I was home, I actually blended my vanilla shake with some ice, and I mixed in some cinnamon and some pumpkin spice, and it wasn't too bad. It was a lot more tolerable than my lunch version of it. Throughout the day, I actually wasn't very hungry throughout the day, which shocked me, and I found something very interesting. Normally, on a normal work day, by 2:30, 3 o'clock, I am starving. I've had breakfast, I've had lunch, I had a snack at work, but I'm still hungry when I start to get home. Well, yesterday I'm sitting in my car and I'm driving, and I'm like, I'm hungry because it's 3 o'clock and I'm hungry, and I'm sat there and I thought about it. I'm like, well, no, I'm not really hungry. I'm actually okay. Just drank some water, and wasn't really hungry until about 4:30, 5 o'clock. And then came home. I had to run errands, and I came home and like did my dinner, which was really quick to make, by the way. Um, the hardest thing was all the cravings that I would just normally give into. Like yesterday, if I wasn't doing the 3-day refresh, I would have made grilled cheese and tomato soup, which isn't normally bad for you, but can't have it on 3-day refresh. So I sat there and I'm like, I want a grilled cheese, I want a grilled cheese. But I was like, what, I'm okay. Just grabbed my water, drank it, just did some things at home to kind of keep my mind off of it. Someone heated up hot wings at work, and I'm like, oh, those smell really good. I also work across from a meatball factory, so every day on my way home, I'm smelling meatballs, and so like a lot of that was just like, oh, that kind of sucks. I really could go for that right now, but you know what? It's like I said, it's only 3 days. I'm powering through it. I'm not suffering. I'm not miserable. Um, And the awesome thing is I woke up this morning, and when I weighed myself, I was down 5 pounds. Now, granted, those 5 was probably a lot of fluid weight, which just tells you how much I retain because I don't drink enough water. But, you know, I'm excited. It's 5 pounds. Haven't measured inches. When I did measure inches, I just did my waist yesterday morning, and I was 50 inches. And I just wanted to share that with you guys so that I can kind of keep a document, and then I will post before and after pictures when I'm done my video. And it's getting very long, and I just wanted to go over my recap of my day. So all in all, not like, oh my god, it's the best thing ever, but it wasn't horrible. I have energy, and you know, like I said, I'm not miserable like, oh my god, I need to eat something. It was just more of a mental cravings that, you know, like, oh, I can't have bread, so now I want bread. It was kind of more just a mental thing for me, not like I had to have it. And I powered through it and I survived. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Back at work, so probably another early whispery video, or it might not be until tomorrow afternoon, but I will post one, I promise. All right, see you guys.